How are you?
Fine, madam. Thank you.
Okay, can you please introduce yourself?
I'm Imelda Quiachon, married to Eduardo Quiachon, 41 years of age, with one child, Adrian Quiachon, 15 years old. I'm third year college with degree of Bachelor Science in Finance.
Okay, so if ever you work in Hong Kong, who will take good care of your children or your son?
My mother.
Okay. Do you have experience working as domestic helper here in the Philippines or abroad?
In abroad, madam, 2 years from 2011 to 2013, madam.
Okay, in what country?
In Oman, madam.
Okay, so why did you choose to work in Hong Kong rather than in Oman?
I choose Hong Kong because high salary rather than Oman, and I want to support my family needs.
Okay, so how many persons did you serve in your previous employer's house?
3, madam, the madam and my sir and the baby, 3 months old.
Okay, so you know how to take good care of the baby?
Yes, madam.
Do you love baby?
Yeah, madam, I really love.
Okay, so how to take good care of the baby?
I change the clothes, I give milk, I give also bath, I comb her hair, and I play. I'm talk to the baby.
Okay, and you know how to change the diaper of the baby?
Yes, madam.
Okay, so how about feeding the baby? Do you know also how to feed the baby?
Yes, madam, I know how to feed the baby.
Okay, can you show us how to feed the baby?
Okay, madam. You get the milk. First, you prepare the milk just like this. And after, you check the temperature is okay to the baby, and if it is okay, give the milk to the baby. Just like this. Careful. After this, you must burp the baby. Just like this. And then after, you put in the bed or in the crib.
Okay, thank you. It seems that you know how to feed the baby. Okay, how about bathing the baby? Do you know also how to take a bath the baby?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you show us how to take a bath the baby?
First, you must prepare the materials just like towel, clothes, diaper, powder, baby oil, cologne, and also you must check the temperature of the water and also the room if it is okay. And after, you remove the clothes of the baby and also the diaper, and after that, careful to hold going to the bath, and then you must cover the ears so that the water will not go inside the water. And after, you rinse. You do like that. Close. Underarm, the neck. And after finish, you put in the clean towel, just like this. And put the diaper, the powder, the cologne, and also the baby oil. After finished, you can play the baby.
Okay, thank you. It seems that you know how to feed the baby, how to take a bath the baby. Okay, so how about taking care of the children? Do you know also how to take good care of the children?
Yes, madam.
Okay, can you tell us how to take good care of the children?
I feed the children. I also take bath. I give 100% caring. In terms of school, I need to check the homework. I play also with the children.
Okay, so in your previous employer's house, what is your main duties?
My main duties is only to take care of the baby. And also, if the baby is asleep, I will to the other helper in cleaning the house, cooking, washing, and ironing.
Okay, so do you know also how to cook?
Yes, madam, but not too much. Little only.
Okay, so how about simple Chinese food? Do you know also how to cook?
Yes, madam, I know how to cook steamed fish, vegetable, fried rice, and I'm willing to learn the Japanese food.
Okay, so how about taking care of the pets? Are you willing to look for them?
Yes, madam.
Okay, so how about your day off set by your employer, not even Saturday or Sunday, if it's okay with you?
It's okay with me, madam.
Okay, so if you are lucky to be selected to work in Hong Kong, what can you promise to your prospective employer? Talk to them now.
Dear sir, madam, a good day. If I will be lucky to selected to work in Hong Kong, I assure you that I will hardworking, cheerful, honest, and loyal to your family. I will try my best to do all the housework, and I will take care of your children and treat as my own. I promise to be responsible to my assigned job. I will follow all the instruction given to me. Thank you, madam.